How to mute YouTube video on your phone. So first thing first, open your YouTube and click on the video that you want to mute. Here, let's say I want to mute this particular video, this one. So here you see you can't really have the option of muting, but what you can do is use a browser instead for muting YouTube video. Just go back and open one of your browsers on your device. Open your browser and type www.youtube.com or just type youtube.com and tap on go. After that, just wait for a few seconds and click here. You need to tap on this three dot at the top bottom right, and here tap on desktop site and open the desktop site here. After opening, just click on one of the videos. Let me just wait for a few seconds for it to load. And after that, I'm just gonna click on one of the videos. Let's say audio. Suppose this is one of the audio that I'm using. And here you can see this volume option here below. Just tap on this option. And there you go. You have muted your video or any kind of music that you're trying to look up to YouTube very easy just by following the steps. So therefore, in this way, you can mute your YouTube video on your phone. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.